right, everybody, it is day 17 of the It Takes Grit Summer Series. You guys are doing so great, and today we're going to get to relax and unwind with a full body stretch. Yes, we are. So just wake up that body. I just want you to tap from side to side, lift the chest up, arms out to the side, and give yourselves so much love because, oh my goodness, we are over halfway on our May Summer Series. Oh yes, we got even more coming in June. Oh, and if you're just joining us for today, amazing. You're going to feel great. All right, come back to the center. We're going to take a nice big inhale, bring those arms in front, and exhale, lift all the way up to the sky. Take it one more time. Inhale through your nose and exhale, squeeze those hips underneath and lift all the way up to the sky. Let's take it one more time. Inhale through your nose and exhale all the way out. All right, I want you to bring both of those feet facing towards me. Let's lift up through the chest and gently take it all the way down. So this workout is going to help with your flexibility and it's going to stretch out your whole body. So if you need an extra stretch to do after you've done one of my workouts, this is going to be perfect. All right, release the head down to the ground. Now push into those fingertips and lift the chest up, keeping those legs as straight as you can. Relax all the way down to the ground and inhale and exhale, lift all the way up through the chest. Push down into your hand, lift all the way up to the sky. Take a nice inhale and exhale, release all the way down. Take a nice big breath in. And exhale, release that hand all the way down to the center. Push down into the fingertips, lift up through your chest, inhale through your nose, and exhale, release that hand behind you. Push down into your hand and then lift up that chest. Bring the arm all the way up over to the top and then release the head down. Bend those knees for me and then really relax your head even more and then straighten those legs. Bring the fingertips up nice and high. Let's take it over to your right side. So bring your fingers onto your right ankle and then just release that head down. You just bring it down as close as you can. It doesn't matter where you start, it matters that you keep on going. So take a nice big breath in, inhale and exhale. Bring that head a little bit closer towards the knee. Let's take it over to the other side. Remember, you can have a slight bend in the knee here. You can have loads of bend in the knee. Just try and get that knee to forehead connection. So inhale through your nose and exhale, bring that knee towards your forehead. Take a breath in. And exhale everything out. Come all the way back to the center, arms out to the side, tucking those hips underneath and bring your hips all the way back up to the top. All right, walk your feet all the way back to the middle and then lift those arms up over to the top, stretch up nice and high. Now tuck those hips underneath. We're going to take it into a back bend. So it's really important here to pull the belly button in towards your spine, lift up through the chest and then squeeze those elbows in. Inhale through your nose and exhale, release everything up. So let's just start of all work with the elbows. So lift up and now let's take it into a slight back bend. So tuck those hips underneath, lift the chest up and then squeeze, open up nice and high and extend those fingertips up towards the sky. Let's take it one more time. Inhale through your nose and exhale, really open up, feel that stretch. Breathe in and let's take that one more time. Come on, it feels so good. Inhale through your nose and exhale, open up the chest, squeeze those elbows in and lift all the way up to the sky. Bring your hands all the way through to heart center. Release your head down to the ground. Inhale, halfway lift and exhale, forward fold and gently come all the way back up again to your mountain pose. Okay, we're going to come down to the ground. So bring your fingertips to the top of your mat. We're going to take it into your first downward facing dog. So send those hips up to the sky. Come on everybody, let's create some energy. Now bend those knees, pushing down into the hands and then lift those hips up nice and high. Take an extension of your right leg with your foot flexed. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Let's take it over to the other side. So that's it. Really push down into that heel so you can feel that stretch. Take a nice inhale and exhale. Alrighty, everybody. Let's extend both of those heels up to the sky. Come up onto those tippy toes and then bring those heels all the way down. Bring those knees to the mat. Stretch out the back and exhale all the way through. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, lower those knees. Come all the way down onto the ground. All right, let's stretch out those abs. We've been doing some serious crushing ab workouts this week. All right, so bring your hands directly underneath your shoulders and we're going to extend up, look up through. That's it. Lift up nice and high. Squeeze those elbows in towards your waist. Take a nice big effort to breathe in. And as you exhale, come all the way down. Let's take that one more time. So squeeze those elbows in towards your waist. Inhale through your nose and exhale, push down into the fingertips and lift all the way up through the chest. Oh my goodness, you guys are looking so good, so strong. Let's keep it going all the way down to the ground. Bring your hands to the edges of your mat this time. We're going to keep those feet nice and tight. So squeeze those glutes together, squeeze those heels, and 3, 2, 1, push down into the ground, lift up through your chest, squeeze those glutes and feel that stretch all through through your chest or through the back, and take a nice inhale and exhale, release all the way down. Let's take that one more time. You guys looking so good. Push down onto the edges of your mat, almost on the outside of your mat, and then lift up and then push down. Squeeze those glutes together. Keep those feet on the ground and then lift up, looking straight forward. Inhale through your nose, and as you exhale, push into the ground and come into a child's pose for me. That's it. So really stretch out those arms. We're going to take it over to the right side. So allow that booty to heel connection. Release all the way down onto the ground. Take a nice inhale. And as you exhale, release all the way onto the ground. Now we're going to take it over to the other side. So just allow the head to relax onto the mat. Forehead to knee connection. Take a nice inhale. And exhale, release everything down. Come all the way back to the center. Now really try and stretch your hands as much as you can. Interlace those fingertips and then extend those arms over the top of your head and feel the stretch all through your shoulders and your back. Now just trying to inch those hands slightly forward to feel the stretch all through your back. Take a nice inhale, and as you exhale, release those hands behind you and do exactly the same stretch. So take your chest, open up the chest. Now pull those abs in nice and tight, and you're going to come all the way up to a seated position. So inhale through your nose and exhale, releasing those hands down all the way through to the mat, and bring those arms gently out to the side. Swivel all the way onto your booty. All right, let's stretch out those legs, everybody. Oh, we're gonna feel so good once we have finished with today. Now bring those knees in towards your chest, extend that left leg long, take that right leg, take it across your body and feel the stretch. Now the goal here is to keep both of your shoulders onto the mat. Bring your arms out to the side and look over into the opposite direction. So feel that stretch all through your back. You're going to feel it all through your shoulders as well, and just release those arms down to the side. Take a nice inhale and just put a little bit more resistance on this side, and exhale everything out. Come all the way back to the center. Bring those knees in towards your chest and extend that right leg nice and long. Inhale, taking it across the body. Take a nice big breath in, both of those shoulders onto the mat, and extend that arm over into the opposite direction. That's it. Bring that knee across. Inhale through your nose. And exhale everything out, feeling that stretch all through the back of your glutes, all through your chest. Again, keep both of those shoulders onto the ground, doing a great job, and then come all the way back to the center. Now take one leg across. We're going to stretch out those glutes. So here you can feel it on your thighs. You're going to feel it all in the quads too. So interlace your hands underneath into that loop, and then put a little bit of resistance on your elbow onto the outside here, and bring the knee in towards your chest. Inhale through your nose, and exhale everything out. Take a nice big breath in. And exhale everything out. Here we go. You got this, everybody. Let's just keep on going, keep on making sure that we are striving towards getting that stretch in. Even though it's like, hey, we're not working out today. No, we need to make sure that we're getting that meditating, that stretching to reboot our system. Let's take it over to the other side. So interlace those hands underneath, releasing those shoulders onto the ground. Take a nice inhale, and then bring that knee in towards your chest. All right, everybody, let's take it into a happy baby. So unlace your feet, bring your toes into your pinkies, and we're going to sway from side to side. Keep those hips on the ground, bringing those knees in towards your elbows, and allow that chest and the back and your head all to be nice and relaxed on the ground. And let's just sway from side to side. Oh my goodness, yes, just zoning out for 10 minutes here and there, just to stretch and unwind. It's going to make us feel so much better. So make sure that you get this into your daily routine. Okay, bring those knees in towards your chest. Give yourself a super big hug. We're going to come up gentle, 3 gentle roll-ups. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3, all the way up. We're going to extend those legs straight in front. Have a bend in your knee. We're going to lift those arms up over the top of your head, and then just gently relax all the way down. You're going to bend your knees as much as you need to keep your chest on the ground. And then what we're going to do is we're going to extend one leg out at a time, keeping a nice flat back. So bring those hands on top of your toes and lift up that chest. Inhale through your nose, and then exhale, release everything down to the mat. That's it. Take a nice big breath in. Exhale everything out. That's it. You got this, everybody. Inhale through your nose, and exhale, straighten those legs just a little bit more, and release down onto the mat. That's it. You're looking so good, everybody. Let's keep this going. Now, extend that back all the way up, straighten those legs, straighten those toes, and then just feel that stretch all through the backs of your legs. Keep the back lifted, grab hold of your legs wherever you feel the most stretch, without damaging yourself. Inhale through your nose, and exhale, release everything down with the straight leg as much as you can. And gently, vertebrae by vertebrae, roll all the way back up, come back to the center. Oh my goodness, yes, we did it, everybody. Here is the next workout for you. Let's keep on going with the It Takes Grit Summer Series. I'm so proud of you. Here's the next workout, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. And gently feel that stretch and hold right here, and then slowly come all the way back up. If you need to use your hands, bring yourself up here. Okay, we got this, everybody. So a nice Pilates.